And as you can see behind me, we have the engine with the transmission and everything. Yeah, so what do you think? The car already fixed everything, but the engine's on that corner. Walk through the cars, guys. Let's go. Okay. But bad news. What was this? Wow. They cut all the wires. You know, sometimes people are trying to steal something, they're gonna cut. And you cannot attach this, you cannot rejoin it, you know? You have to replace it. Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is Azool from Azool channel. Welcome to the 4th day. So what happened exactly on the Thursday and Friday in Dubai, guys? Almost on a weekend, guys. So people are not working that much, and of course Friday it's off day totally. So this is the update on the car, guys. On the Thursday I was not here, guys. I was actually so much busy, and as you can see behind me, we have the engine with the transmission and everything. Yeah, so this is the engine, guys, and the only reason they open, they have to change this cross member. So actually we call it the chair of the engine. So basically engine sit in this item, and after that it have to fit the frame on the car on those two frames. Yeah, there's no any other way to replace this cross member. They have to bring down the total engine, then they have to change it. I just noticed something. Actually this car is 2014, so from 2013 till 2016-17 all come exactly same design. And there's lot of items on the Ls460 2007 till 2010. There's lot of parts actually we don't had it. But in this generation 2013, actually I saw like this one. This is the first time I saw the small cover just stick in this side of the engine. I'm not sure what exactly the use for that, but this is something new I didn't see. As you can see, the transmission almost different because this car is all-wheel drive. Yeah, and my transmission only from this place, and this is like more extra. Yeah, so this is also the difference between the normal transmission and of course with the four-wheel drive option. Yeah, this is kind of more expensive. Anyway guys, this is the engine, and of course you can see the guys just preparing to do all the leveling. They have to fit most of the parts, I can say, except the engine, to do the proper leveling for the body, guys. Now I think they already opened this fender. Now they are fixing, as you can see, they are fixing the front support as well, and there's 2-3 more parts they have to fit it under support as well. That's the one. So what I'm gonna do, go and buy those small. So this is the 2 bracket I was speaking, guys. There's 2 small bracket coming on this corner of the fender, and of course same thing on other side. So I have to go to genuine part and of course order those parts. So before that I'm gonna put the GoPro here. They're gonna work. I'll be on the way to order those parts. Let's go. So this is the place I always order all the genuine parts. Let's go and see if they have in store or they have to order from their main store. So before, like a week ago, I just ordered something. I just forgot everything. So I came here to pick up this as well, and of course order some new parts. Ls460. दो ब्रैकेट होता है फंडर में आता है, एक छोटा वाला है, एक जो लेफ्ट साइड में आता है जो कंफर्ट फिट करने के लिए हमको लगता है नहीं वो वाला नहीं यहाँ दूसरा वाला लेफ्ट साइड दोनों राइट लेफ्ट. So I think we find the parts. This is the one. This is all genuine part. So we need right and left. So we find the parts, and both of them will be, each will be 50 dirham, but unfortunately they don't have now, so we have to order. So maybe 6:30 it's gonna be arrived. Then from here we're gonna pick it up and of course take it. So this is 579 for this part. This is mine, and of course, yeah, this is for my friend. 100 dirham for 2 brackets. So right now I came back and then we ordered 2 brackets, and actually garage is working so fast. They fit the bonnet, they fit the left side fender as well, and of course the middle support as well. So right now, as you can see, they are trying to do the leveling, guys. It's kind of hard as well, and I think the first of all they're gonna do the leveling the body item. So they have the bonnet and 2 fender. First of all, they have to do adjust that, lift that, and after that I think they have to fit the headlight, and after that the end will be the front bumper. That's all. That's the support. I think they have to fix it. It's kind of hard. Yeah, so this is the main part. Those gaps have to be proper, straight, and of course, yeah, as you can see, this is like more stuck together, but this is more a company gap. So they have to figure out how to do the same gap without damaging this side. It's kind of hard as well, but those people, they know what are doing. Yeah, so let's see a little bit more how they're gonna work. This side is good. Yeah, this side it's a little bit good, but not that much. Yeah, you need more to be like this one. So this is actually really funny the way they do the leveling, guys. They put a boot under the bonnet, and the guy just climb up of the bonnet and push himself. Yeah, this is a really unique style only happening here, guys. Yeah, that was the wood. Sometimes it looks really easy. You think you just fit a fender and that's all. But believe me, guys, to do all the leveling, it's kind of really headache. And those people have to be really professional. They have to try really crazy way to do the leveling. As you saw it, guys, the guy was climbing on the bonnet to do the leveling. Oh my god, that's really, like, I can say smart as well, and really very stupid as well. Right now I can see the leveling is almost getting good, guys, because this was from factory, and I can see from here also it looks good. But there's more, there's lot of work still. There's lot of work have to be done to this car, guys. Now they have to fit the headlight, after that the bumper, lot of things, guys. So right now it's time to fix the headlights. We're gonna start with the right one, because right one already from the factory, so maybe not too much different. They don't have to adjust lots of things. And yeah, after that will be the right, it will be the right side, and after that will be the left side. The left side which I give to my friend, and we're gonna see that as well, how it fit the car. So now we're gonna start with the right side headlight. So the thing is that you're just checking the headlight to fit properly on the place, guys, because there's no any. So see, they need a lot of adjustment to fit the right side headlight. The right side headlight was like from the car itself, but of course once you open everything, it needs a little bit again leveling. Something big, I think. Left side, huh? Okay. समझ आया, okay. ये इतना छोटा है ना, मतलब बड़ा नहीं होता. Okay, समझ आया. So there's a small bracket we forgot to buy from here, and of course they need it. Oh, plastic वो तो उधर हो गया. So right now I have to go hurry, guys. Order 2 small parts, like one of them, because left side we forgot to get it. Oh my God, Samir, it's you?
Oh, how are you?
I'm good. Did you fix the rim? That's the same car?
No, the Avalon.
Okay, yeah, you know that you have to fix for the 460 as well.
Yeah, I know.
So just give me an order for the small bracket for the Lexus. I should go and order. I'll check if they have from the company. I'll order there. If not, you have to go to Ramazan shop and get it from there.
1 second, I'll come with you.
You'll come with me? Okay, fast.
What?
So my friend's that much lazy, he was going to wash his hand, and of course he's washing with the drinking water. What should we say? Everyone is angry of you, Samir. Let's go, we don't have the time. The genuine part will be closed now. The car will be closed. Oh my God, there's a car recovery, just unloading a car, and we are in really hurry. We have to go as well, and Samir kind of like don't care. Where you was from the morning?
Sure.
And I was taking care of your cars, you know. So right now we finish our break, guys, from 1 to 4, Samir. Like sometimes, you know, I feel next day because 1 o'clock we close, we eat, then after that we take a nap, then we play a little bit PlayStation, and then watch a little bit movies as well. Sometimes I do all the things, but now it's 4 o'clock, we came back, and I need to, like, you don't have energy, you have to be energetic, you know what I'm saying?
Good.
Okay, anyway guys, so right now we came back to the same place which we bought all the spare parts. We're gonna take that small bracket. After that we have to go to garage. We are out of the time, almost 4:30, Samir. So let's go and take the bracket very fast.
5 o'clock.
Yeah, 5 o'clock. You don't have to show everything. Let's go and ask him where's the bracket. Walk through the cars, guys. Let's go. Okay. हाँ यही हाँ हमको लगता है सेम है साथ का या फर्क है
सिर्फ एक खुलेगा
हाँ यही हाँ छोटा वाला इधर से हाँ ये है ये बस यही चाहिए हाँ
इसके साथ ब्रेकिंग
हाँ हाँ बस हाँ वो नहीं चाहिए वो हो so we need this small part, guys. Imagine because of this we cannot fit the fender. Yeah, this is the part. Let me focus it. Yeah, thank you.
Hey, this is small.
Yeah, this part we need only.
Oh, that's a big one.
No, that's attached to the frame. Yalla shukriya. Let's go. Samir, it's 5 o'clock, 5:20 to 5:25. Still, we didn't do anything. If we're gonna continue in this way, if me and Samir gonna continue in this similar schedule, Samir, I can say the car will finish after 20 days.
No.
We have to be hurry. We are so lazy.
This week.
Let's go. We're gonna pick up 2 brackets, then we'll go to garage. Ready? You need to pay anything from him or what?
Check it out.
Yeah. So right now we came back to garage. As you can see, me and Samir a little bit on shock. This is a shock, like we are happy to see. So I want to show you guys the car is almost, I can say done, not almost. Yeah. They fit everything. Let's see what exactly how it looks. 1, 2, 3. What do you think? The car already fixed everything, but the engine's on that corner. Not good. So I already explained the reason they fit every part because to do the leveling. As you can see, they fixed all the leveling. Still, we forgot to bring the bracket. Now we have to pick it up from the genuine part. Except that I can see the fender is good. I feel a little bit something wrong in that side because of the fender. Sorry, the bonnet was damaged.
Yeah,
we'll fix that as well with the body and paint, this kind of stuff. But right now I can say 50% of the car are complete. Yeah, 50% is easily complete. I'm not sure what exactly happened there. That's the charger, yeah? Yeah, that's the charger. Is that yours?
No.
Okay. So anyway, so you're gonna take this car, Samir, out? Yeah. This is the 2019 Avalon, yeah?
عزيز عزيز هذا خلاص اكزوز بطل اكزوز اوكي هو سيلها.
So right now this is the plan to take out this car for a oh my god, I think remove the exhaust. That's the okay. So this was the car, like you was looking for 2 doors, yeah?
Yeah.
So the accent is very low. Even I can see this is 2 keys, yeah? And this is from the factory, guys. They didn't open the key plastic as well from the factory. So do you want me to reconnect the battery? There's no any sign for the charge.
Yeah, check.
Hold it. So this is the, of course, Samir car as well. So I think most of the work has done from garage, and right now he was trying. There's no any battery, Samir. But bad news. What was this?
Wow.
They cut all the wires. You know, sometimes people are trying to steal something. They're gonna cut. And you cannot attach this. You cannot rejoin it. You know, you have to replace it. But this is a good news. Most of the old model are the same. You're really sad, I can see.
No, I'll do it.
So what will be the plan?
Avalon.
I'm sorry, for the Avalon, what are we gonna do?
We'll take it.
Right now?
No, not now. Let them finish the
There's still bar?
small.
Okay. So we're gonna go and take the 2 brackets which we ordered from the Wikala, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go. Nothing else, yeah? And there's one more cover also. Two more covers you should order. Yeah, 3 covers. So Samir, see this one, that's the new Silverado. Yeah?
Yeah.
But this is a problem. From here I can see the bad thing about the car, guys, is those exhausts. I can say this is like a fake exhaust power.
From factory.
It's from the factory, but
Yeah.
Okay.
It's looking like China.
Yeah, it looks like a plastic thing. When you look, most of the people who have a cheap car, they wanna make it like sporty. They attach that one.
Yeah.
But except that, the tail light is good.
Everything is good.
Looks good, yeah.
Just the
but that
exhaust.
one, it looks so ugly.
The old shape is better with the exhaust on the side, like truck.
Oh, like a truck or like G class as well, yeah.
Yeah,
that
the
one.
G-Class, yeah.
So we came back to this place, Hamadi, and we ordered 2 brockets. And let's go and pick it up. Hello everyone.
Hi, man, how are you? Everything is
Mahmoud bhai, कैसे हैं? Bracket ready है? जो 2 सुबह order के. We got the parts, guys. Let's go to garage. So this is the last time we have to come to garage, guys. So tired. We have the 2 parts, the 2 bracket and the fender liner. Let's go give the parts. कैसे तुम? 60% हो गया. So right now we don't need the fender liner. I'm gonna store it in here. I'm gonna put it in the trunk. So we're gonna see if the bracket is good or not.
हो गया
अभी 60% हो गया.
कल भी पेन करेगा इसको
कल नीचे का पेंट करेगा.
फिर भी इंजन डालेगा
हाँ.
फिर इंजन डालेगा तो फिर हम सामान पूरा
वापस।
लगाएगा हाँ 80% करेगा फिर 20% बाकी पेंट का बाद
जो फिटिंग होता है
वो 20%
extra fitting.
आखिर में
फिर पॉलिश भी होता है. हाँ.
और पॉलिश भी आखिर में
इसका एक बुल गया पंपर के एक ये छोटा है ना, ये सही है ना? हम सोचे छोटा है लेकिन सही है. ओके करेक्ट. ये अभी फिट नहीं करेगा.
नहीं
ओके जब हाँ वो फाइनल में फिट करेगा
तो
टूट जाएगा. Okay, so this is end of the video, guys. To be honest, guys, I don't expect that much today, but we've done lots of work, guys. We almost complete the leveling for those parts, and everything looks good. For tomorrow, guys, it will be really interesting. We have to open those parts again one more time to do the paint job. Tomorrow will be all about the paint job, guys. Thank you so much, if you guys make it till today. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you guys are new. See you for the next video. Like always, peace. So this video is for those people who are watching my video till to the end, guys. So Samir have another car as well. This is the one. So this is actually in another garage. So we came here to check the car to see everything is finished or not. What was the problem, Samir? They're fixing something else as well. We're gonna see what they're fixing. Yeah. It looks so good, Samir. It looks so good.